Assalamu alaikum to all of you. First of all, I will tell you how I come up with this idea of this project to make T-services, which is basically a bus service app or a car service app. So we are living in Pakistan, so there is always an opportunity for us to make these opportunities and convert them in digitalized solution. So I proposed a digital solution for traveling as well. That's why I make this application for traveling services. So what is basically the problem statement of the T services is, it is an application which make traveling service provider to provide online booking service, which make ease for people to book from their comfort zone, which will fulfill these goals. Number one, it will make people to book from anywhere at any time. Second one, it will increase service provider market size. Number third, it will increase revenue of the service provider. So it's all about the introduction of this project. Now let's check working of the project. My application is consist of two parts. First one is admin app and second one is customer app. These both applications are separately managed. Admin app application is basically for authorities of T services or for drivers, and customer application is for those who are going to book their seats. So first of all, we will go to the customer app and we will see what we have done in that. This is our T services customer application. We are on the first main activity. We have a select service button here, and in the bottom we have location details. So we will check the Sakkar location detail. So here we have location Sakkar and ticket manager and contact number as well. So now we will go to how to book our seat. So first of all, we go to this button select service. So we have three services here. Number one is car, and second one is sleeper coach, and third one is two-seater. You can see, book seat of one of them. First I will select two-seater. In this activity I have to select date first, then I will select the route. I'm selecting 10th of September, and I'm going to Sakkar from Karachi. So I have two seaters available, number one and number two, with multiple choices. So I will select this one. So here you can book your seat and select first. I have selected two seats. Now click on book selected seats. Now payment method is here, which one is switchable for you. I'm selecting JazzCash. Here you have to provide your full name. Successfully we have booked our seats. Our vehicle ID is two-seater and the departure date is 10th of September. Departure time 3 p.m. Seat number 2 RS and 3 RS. Amount on each seat 800, and full number who booked this seats is Saghir Ahmed, and after that mobile number. So you can seat again. So click on seat again button. So you will come up with this activity. Now you have to provide date first, then we will select your route. It's all about the customer app. Now we will go to our admin application. This is our T services admin app. There are some changes with respect to T services customer app. We have a admin authentication here. So that account is provided by the T services management to drivers and authorities of T services to log in here. So we will click on admin button. So I will log in at admin.com, password 3 and go to the selection of I want to check the car seat or sleeper seat. So I want to check two-seater which I have booked before. I have selected 10th of September. Now Karachi to Sakkar trek, and second one. So we have booked previously we have booked in our customer app second and third seat of this two-seater coach. So here we are able to show that these two seats are booked. Now by this admin panel or by this admin application, you can see which seat is booked by which person. So when we click on this seat, so it will go to the detail of the customer who has booked this seat. So this seat is booked by Saghir Ahmed, and the mobile number is XYZ33, which he has provided. So which seat and which date, which time, and which route. So that is the main purpose of admin app. So any driver or any authority of the T services can check which seat is booked by whom. We have used two technologies, Android using Java, and second one that is used for database, that is Firebase. And in last, thanks for listening me that what I have done in my project. Allah Hafiz.